A warm good morning to all. Today we will discuss about your first lesson of your English, that is the snake and the mirror. This was the first lesson of your English, that is the lesson name is the snake and the mirror. The author is Vikram Muhammad Bashir, 1908 to 1994. So birth date and the death date. The snake and the mirror. Here the story revolves about one of the young doctor. So, have you ever heard the sound of a snake? You are all aware of the sound of a snake. So, we now in this story we are discussing about the snake and the what the snake did and what the man did. So, one day, the man who was a doctor, that is, he studied medicine and who was a doctor, he came into his room. Then there was a sound. Then he thought that there would be rats, and all think that the man and the rats are sharing the room. So he came and there was a sound of a rat. Then came into the room and he sat on the chair. So on that day he completed his dinner in the restaurant and came. The house was it is a single, a one floored room with no ceiling at all, and he put a lamp, kerosene lamp. Why? Because the room is not electrified, that is no lights and fans in that room, and he put a electric lamp. Then after that he sat on the chair and he is in front of the mirror. Then suddenly he saw the mirror and he thinks himself that I am very handsome, and if I cut my hair, and there is a comb near the small comb near the mirror. Then he thought that he took the comb and he combed his hair and seeing in the mirror and thinking himself that I am very handsome, and if I trim my mustache daily then I will look like very handsome boy. And he is admiring his beauty in the he is admiring his beauty in the mirror. Then after that there is again a sound of a snake, but he didn't respond to that snake, and he is admiring his beauty in the mirror. After that he is thinking himself that I would marry if generally that is even though I am a doctor, I will marry to and I am young, so I will marry to a lady doctor which has so many money. And he is thinking that the girl would be fat, because if there is any fight or something misunderstandings between the wife and husband, if this man runs, the girl which he married is not able to run backside him. So if he married the fat girl, she couldn't able to run that much fast, and he is thinking that in sitting in front of the mirror. And after that he is getting so much bored. So then he opened his book, some medical book, because he is a doctor. Opened some medical book and he is reading. Again the sound was came, and then he turned like that is what is the sound. He turned like this. Then the big snake with fat personality landed in his arm. So big that landed in his arm. Then the man was so much feared, and he stood like a stone, that with the breath. He stood like a stone with blood and flesh. So slowly the snake entered into moved into the this చుట్టుకుపోవడం rotated, coiled called here neck, and the face of the neck and the man's face is 4 feet away. So the man was so much scared by seeing, because generally the snake is poisonous and we all afraid of snake generally. But the man has 4 feet away from the snake, so the man is of course so much afraid. He put his breath and stood like a stone. After that, slowly the snake turns, that is the mirror, and the snake is in front. So the snake mirror is in front of the snake. So the snake is seeing the snake is seeing the mirror, and that is the snake is seeing the mirror and it stopped. So slowly the man stood up from the chair and went near the door. And the man is thinking that did snake also admiring his beauty. So here the snake come in front of the mirror, and the snake is also admiring his beauty. Then the man went out of the door and called, went to his parents' house, friend's house, and applied the oil for total body, and took a bath and wore the new clothes. Next morning, next morning he came back to his room with his friends and to other people. Then there is that night a thief came, and the things which are present in the room are washed away, but the man have one coat and one white color shirt, which will be wear under the coat. So that was in the room, and all the things which are present that is the man have suitcase and 60 rupees and some clothes and all. These all are washed by the taken away by the thief. And the man thought that the thief is very cleanness, and thief also having very cleanness, that my shirt is somewhat dirty, so he didn't took my shirt. If that is he can wash and he can use. He didn't took my shirt, and he took all other things from me, and he was in hungry, angry. He is in angry mood. And next the friend asked, won't you get won't you afraid of snake? Then the man replied that all are afraid of snake, but there is I thought there was a God and he will only save me. And at the same time the mirror is in front of us, and the snake attracted towards the mirror, and I came out. This is all because of God. And other two people said that how was the snake and where it will come, from where it came, and all the questions were asked by the other people. And the man replied that I don't know from where the snake came, but it landed on my arm, and I stood like a stone for some time. And after that, when the snake begins to look into the mirror, I came out of the room, and now only I am coming back to my room. Back to my room, said by that man. So here, first the man admiring his beauty near the mirror, then after that the snake also admiring his beauty near the mirror. So this is all about this story, the snake and the mirror. Okay, the lesson name is Snake and the Mirror. This is a simple story, and it happened in some other country, and the author is Vaikom Muhammad Bashir, 1908 to 1944. This is all about this lesson. Hope you understand. Thank you.